Hi friends, today I will tell you how you can customize the home screen of your Mi 11. Out of the box, the home screen of your Mi 11 looks completely ugly with the launcher 3. So today I will going to customize it. So first you need to download the Nova launcher from Play Store. Also you can use a Nova launcher Prime which costs you around ₹100. I have already installed it. You can also bought a Nova launcher Prime. Open up the Nova launcher. It will load it up. Now go to the settings. Search for home app. Now change the Nova launcher as a default home app. Go back. Now remove everything which is present on the screen. Let's make it simply clean. I should remove everything. Also remove this. It is too ugly to remove, yeah, I think. So it remove. Now go to the Nova settings. Desktop, I will choose desktop grid 10:9. Yes. Icon layout, I will choose 90% and disable the label. Nothing more. Disable the page indicator and everything done here. Now go to app and video drawers. Click on swipe to open. Disable the swipe indicator. Scroll accent color to white. Choose background color to black and increase the transparency to around 35%. It looks good. Now everything looks fine. Change icon layout. Icon color white. Use font as normal. Icon size to 90%, 95%. It look good. So done. Search bar, we need. I should disable the frequently used apps. I don't like that one. So back. Now also in the dock. Nothing to do here. Simply in icon layout I will choose little 90%. Yes, search bar in the dock. Below icons like in a Pixel 2. Everything is done here. Look and feel. I will choose icon theme as a Delta app. You can download it from Play Store. It is free of cost. I should disable the notification bar also. Everything is also done here. Yes, it is everything. Now let me check what is on the home screen. Yes, now it looks good. You can see the widget draw is just look pretty good. Now let me change the search bar. Choose Google. The colorful one looks good. Now let me brought some apps on the home screen. You can add the useful apps which you use. I'm going to add anything. Play Store should be there, and the music player app. Everything is done. Now let me add a widget. To add widget you need to download the Super Widget Pro app. You need to bought it also. It is not free of cost. There is a Super Widget Pro. Download it. Now go to the widget option. Also you need to download the Parrot. Parrot for Super. Link is also in the description. You need to install it. It is a free of cost. So let me go to widgets. Drop down any Super widget. Resize it to fit your home screen. Go to Parrot. Let it load. For first time it takes some time. So I will choose a widget. Yeah, I am using this super widget 102. I need to scale it up to 45. Now you need to change the color to white. If you have a dark background, a dark wallpaper, you should change the color to white. Choose every color to white. It will take some time, so sit back and relax. Why don't we change it? Change the time color. One rectangle is left. And it's done. Our widget is ready. So here it is. Now you can see my home screen looks good, and you will surely like it. The wallpaper is from the Wallpy app. You can download it from the Play Store. Link will be also in the description. Now it's done. If you like this video, do subscribe and also share it with your friends.